From digital art prints to functional planners and journals, the options for making money on Etsy are endless. Before we begin, please take a moment to sit back and make yourself comfortable. Once you're ready, please subscribe to our content, so that you don't miss out on any future updates or information. Now, let's take a look at the top 10 ways to make money selling digital products on Etsy. 1. Selling digital art. Selling digital art on Etsy allows you to reach a wide audience. With the power of the internet, your art can be seen by people all over the world, increasing your chances of making a sale. Another benefit of selling digital art on Etsy is that it eliminates the need for physical inventory. With printable wall art, you create digital files of your artwork that can be downloaded and printed by the customer. This means you don't have to worry about printing and shipping physical copies of your work, saving you time and money. Digital illustrations are also in high demand on Etsy. They can be used for a variety of purposes such as invitations, posters, book covers, web design and more. Plus, digital illustrations can be licensed for specific uses, such as commercial or editorial use, which can generate additional revenue. 2. Digital planners and journals. Creating digital planners and journals allows for easy scalability. Once you create the digital product, it can be sold over and over again, generating passive income for you. Digital planners and journals also allow for customization. You can create different designs, layouts, and add different features to cater to different customers' needs and preferences. This allows you to stand out and increase your chances of making a sale. 3. Digital scrapbooking elements and templates. Digital scrapbooking gives you the freedom to unleash your creativity and showcase your unique style. From vintage-inspired elements to modern and minimalistic templates, the possibilities are endless. Digital scrapbooking also allows for flexibility. You can create different designs, themes, and add different elements to cater to different customers' needs and preferences. And don't forget the power of promotion. Digital scrapbooking elements and templates can be shared and promoted easily on various digital platforms, such as social media, to reach a large audience and build your following. 4. Photography. Photography is a great area to explore when selling digital products on Etsy. There are several ways to monetize your photography skills. You can offer digital downloads of your photographs, either as single images or in a collection. This is a great way to sell your work to individuals looking for unique photos for personal use, such as for their home decor, blog or website. You can also create and sell stock photography collections on Etsy. Stock photography is a collection of photographs that can be licensed for specific uses such as for marketing materials, social media posts, websites, and more. 5. Digital fonts and typefaces. If you have design skills and experience creating fonts, you can create and sell your own unique and original fonts on Etsy. This can include a variety of font styles, such as serif, sans serif, script, and more. You can also offer pre-made font collections on Etsy. These can be a curated selection of fonts that you have created or purchased the rights to, and that are ready for customers to use in their design projects. You can also offer font bundles, which are a collection of fonts sold at a discounted price. This can be a great way to sell multiple fonts at once and increase your sales. 6. Digital invitations and cards. If you have design skills, you can create and sell digital invitations for various occasions, such as weddings, birthdays, baby showers, and more. You can offer a range of designs to cater to different tastes and styles. Some customers might be looking for a specific type of invitation that they can't find in the market. You can offer custom digital invitation design services where you create an invitation to match the client's needs, such as for a specific theme or event. You can also offer invitation templates that customers can edit and personalize themselves. This can be a great option for customers who want to create their own invitations but don't have design skills. 7. Digital craft patterns and tutorials. You can create and sell digital patterns as PDF downloads. These patterns can include instructions and diagrams for a wide range of crafts such as knitting, crocheting, quilting, and more. Imagine customers all over the world using your patterns to create beautiful pieces of art. Take your pattern game to the next level by creating video tutorials. Not only will customers be able to follow along with your instructions, but they'll also get to see the finished product in action. You can also offer a subscription-based service, where customers pay a monthly fee to receive new patterns and tutorials on a regular basis. 8. Digital products. PDFs are the most common format for digital products. PDFs are easy to create, share, and print. They can be used for a wide range of products, such as wall art, planners, and templates. Google Sheets and Excel are used for creating templates for spreadsheets, such as budget templates, inventory templates, or tracking templates. These formats allow customers to easily edit and customize the templates to their needs. You can also offer customizable template services where you create a template to match the client's needs, such as for a specific project or purpose. 9. Ebooks and tutorials. Ebooks and tutorials cover a wide range of subjects such as cooking, DIY, and self-help, and can be delivered in a variety of digital formats, such as PDFs, EPUB, or MOBI. EPUB and MOBI formats are used for ebooks that are read on electronic devices such as Kindle, Nook, or iBooks. These formats allow customers to read ebooks on their devices and can be easily converted from PDFs. You can also create video tutorials for your ebook or tutorial. This can be an excellent way to engage with your customers and provide them with a more interactive experience. 10. Digital music, videos, and audio recordings. If you are a musician, singer, or audio engineer, this one's for you. You can create and sell your own original music, covers, or remixes. You can also sell videos of performances, music videos, or behind-the-scenes footage. Additionally, you can sell audio recordings such as podcasts, audiobooks, or spoken word performances. One way to increase revenue is to sell individual tracks or songs as well as albums or collections. This allows customers to purchase only the tracks they like, rather than having to buy a whole album. As you can see, the opportunities to make money selling digital products on Etsy are endless. So why not give it a try and see what digital product you can come up with and start earning money today on Etsy?